Are you tired of the same old boring upgrades? Are you looking for a 5G powerhouse that you can actually rely on? Well, stop scrolling, because this news is massive. We're talking about the legend, the king of durability, Nokia. Rumor has it, Nokia is gearing up to shatter every record in the book with a grand comeback in 2026. They aren't just launching a phone, they are launching a beast. Meet the Nokia Infinity Max 5G. Is this the device that finally puts Nokia back on the throne? In this video, we're diving deep into the specs that will blow your mind, the price that will shock you, and the launch details you need to know. Do not skip a second of this. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Infinity Max 5G. The display. First up, let's look at the face of this beauty. You know what they say about love at first sight? Well, prepare to fall in love. The Infinity Max is rumored to pack a massive 6.82-inch 2K Super AMOLED display. It's gorgeous. We're talking about a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, paired with an insane 390Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you are gaming competitively or streaming 4K content, every swipe is going to feel instant. And for security, it's keeping things clean with an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature that has the entire tech world screaming. The camera. Nokia is allegedly skipping the small steps and going straight for a giant leap with a 300-megapixel primary sensor. You heard that right, 300 megapixel. The detail on this thing is going to be absolutely crisp, every pixel tells a story. But it's not flying solo. It's backed by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel portrait shooter. This trio is designed to turn every shot into a masterpiece. And for the selfie squad, you're getting a massive 50-megapixel front camera. Your social media game just leveled up. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is a total monster. Get ready, because the Infinity Max is rumored to run on Qualcomm's most advanced chip yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This isn't just a processor, it's a powerhouse. Heavy gaming, 4K video editing, heavy multitasking, this chip eats it for breakfast. Plus, it's going to run on the Android 16, giving you the freshest, fastest, and most future-proof software experience on the market. Battery life. We all hate battery anxiety, right? Well, Nokia fixed it. While other flagships give you 5000 mAh, the Infinity Max is bringing a massive 8000 mAh monster battery. That is easily 2 days of use for most people. And when you finally do run out of juice, a 90-watt super fast charger will have you back in the action in minutes. No more waiting around. Price and launch date. Alright, let's answer the two biggest questions. How much is it, and when can I buy it? First, the price. Leaks suggest Nokia is going aggressive. We are looking at a potential price tag of around $899. For a phone with these specs, that is a serious flagship killer. As for the release date, Nokia hasn't made it official yet. However, market insiders and leaks are pointing toward a global reveal in the second quarter of next year.